Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2, chapter number 17, exercise 17A. That is about the statistical averages. What are the statistical averages and how to memorize those statistical averages? What is the formula for the mean for grouped and ungrouped data? These are the questions that have to be really clear to all of my students. So all those students who have missed the previous class, or they are joining us late, or there are some people who are catching our channel at this time, for all these people, it's really important to watch the previous lesson and understand them. For these people, I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box, or they can also go to the channel library where the different concepts and topics are available in different playlists. Students, in today's class, the task is to understand question number 3 and 4. It's really important to understand the question, to read the question carefully and underline important terms of the question. Question 3 says, the mean of 7 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 13 centimeter is 10 centimeter. Okay, find value of h. So let's try to understand that what is 10, that is the mean of these observations, and how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 observations are with us, and we have to find the value of this unknown. Very easy question, as it's given that the mean of how many observations. Let me recheck this from the book as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 observations. Mean of 6 observations is, mean of 6 observations is 10 centimeter given. Okay, now recall that formula for the mean is that x bar equals to sum of values, summation of x upon number of observations, sum of values or observations upon number of observations. So what we have to do is that instead of mean, what is mean given? Read the question, that is 10. Instead of mean, replace 10 and sum of values. Now what are the values? For some time leave the unit. 7 plus 15 plus 12 plus 5 plus h and plus 13 centimeter, 13. Okay, and then we have to divide by the number of observations. And how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations. Now very easy question, simple linear equation. Go for cross multiplication. 10 times 6, and then I have to add up 15 plus 5, 20 and 22 plus this is 25 and 30, but let me reconfirm this. This is 7 plus 15 plus 12 plus 5 is 17 plus 13, 52 plus h. Now it's a simple linear equation. What we can do is that we have to shift this 52 to other side. 10 times 6 is 60 minus 52 is equal to h, and this is 8 equals to h, or h equals to 8 centimeter. Very easy question. And let's move to the next question, and let me read the question from the book. Question 4 says, the mean mass of 5 boys is 62 kg. The mean mass of 5 boys is 62 kg. Okay, when a mass of a boy is excluded, when a mass of a boy is excluded, the mean mass of the remaining four boys becomes 64 kg. Find the mass of the boy that has been excluded. Okay, let's try to understand that the mean mass of 5 boys is 62 kg. We know that this is the thinking corner. Or here what we can do is we can make up our mind. Okay, we can make up our mind over here that mean mass formula for the mean is x bar equals to summation of x upon number of observations. Okay, how many boys are there? 5. Okay, and then the mean mass is 62. When I am multiplying 62 by 5, I can get the answer for the total mass of 5 boys. And then what is the meaning of the term excluded? Means the one boy is discarded. If one boy is discarded, if one boy is left, then we are having the 4 boys. Same, what we are going to do is that we have to multiply 64 by 4 and we will be getting the total of 4 boys, total mass of 5 boys, total mass of 4 boys, and then we have to take the difference mass of the boy to get the mass of the boy that has been excluded. I hope students you are clear about this question, and let's move to the solution of the question. First thing is that the mean mass of 5 boys. Mean mass of 5 boys is given. Mean mass of 5 boys is 62 kg. Okay, this is the mean mass. So mean mass x bar equals to sum of masses of 5 boys, summation of x upon number of observation, sum of masses of 5 boys upon number of boys. Now what we have to do is that mean is 62 and summation of x we do not know, and n is 5. Go for cross multiplication. 62 multiplied by 5. 62 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. 6 5s are 30. Yes, 310. 310 is summation of x, which is the total mass of 5 boys. Total mass of 5 boys. Okay, now as one boy has left, so mean mass of 4 boys. Now mean mass for 4 boys, mean mass of 4 boys is 64 kg. 64 kg. Again we'll be using the same formula that x bar equals to summation of x upon n. But here student, this total will be the total mass of 4 boys. Total mass of 4 boys. 4 boys upon number of boys. Okay, now what we have to do is instead of mean, replace 64. This is summation of x upon 4. Go for cross multiplication. 64 times 4 equals to summation of x. Okay, 64 multiplied by 4. This is 256. 256 summation of x, total mass of 4 boys. Total mass 4 boys. 4 boys. Okay, let it be 2 or the second. Always give such references in your working so that examiner can understand your message easily. Requirement is the mass of the boy that has been excluded. Mass of excluded boy. Mass of excluded boy. Boy equals to mass of excluded boy equals to mass of 5 boys. Let it be x1 and let it be x2. Okay, this be x2 so that we can give the reference here. So what we can do is that summation x1 minus summation x2, and this will give me 310 minus 256. 310 minus 256, and this gives me 54 kg. 54 kg. So the mass of fifth boy is, so the mass of excluded boy is 54 kg. I hope really easy and really interesting questions, and I'm going really slow in these lessons because I'm making these lessons for my beginner students who are doing this topic very first time, and there are some people who have who are missing these classes as well, so those people can understand these lessons in my absence as well. Okay, I hope this lesson is clear. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.